Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter H. Can you think of words that start with a letter H? Good! You're right! Horse, house, hot. There are lots of words that start with the letter H. What is this funny cat flying around in? That's right! It's a helicopter. Our color of the week is aquamarine. Can you think of things that are the color aquamarine? The ocean is aquamarine. Some rocks are the color aquamarine. This week, our number is the number 7. It is really easy to draw the number 7. And we are also going to learn how to write the word 7. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a triangle. It's a lot of fun drawing a triangle. Can you think of things that look like a triangle? A pyramid looks like a triangle. Ice cream cones look like triangles. Our sight words are in, is, have, and he. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.